Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the guide curve for lofted command. So lofted command is a really complex command sometimes, but by using the guide curve you can really make some complex shapes or designs or whatever you want to draw. So as you can see, I already made a sketch. So the thing is, like, I have my starting plane, and then I have an end plane here, and then on the starting plane I have a point here, and then there is my profile, as you can see, and then there is an ending point that is also a point on the end plane. And then I have like three more sketches. The one is lower guide, as you can see in the middle, and one is upper guide, as you can see on the top. And there is one more external guide which I have that is gonna control the shape of the body. So this is here. Okay, so what I can do is I would go into the features, and in the ribbon section you can see there is an option lofted boss or base. So in the profiles I need to select the sketch with whatever the sketch I want to use for lofted command. So I'm gonna go here, and then I need to select all the sketches in a order, because in lofted command the order is really important, as we already discussed in the previous videos. So I'm gonna start it from the starting point and then till the profile, and then the last is till the end point, which is on the end plane. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. Okay, so in this way I'm gonna just draw the whole shape by using the lofted command, but exactly this is not the shape which is I want to have. So that's why I have some guided curves. So I'm gonna go into the guided curves, and then I would draw, like, this is my upper guide, so I would select the upper guide. So it's gonna fill the upper guide here, as you can see, but still I need to, this is it's a funny shape, like a mustache, I would say. So but still I have two external guides which I need to fill it. So the second one is lower guide, so it's gonna fill this side, but still this layout outside is still not filled, so I need to select this as well, and in this way it's gonna fill my exactly required design. So this is what exactly I want, so I'm just gonna click the green check mark. Okay, and then I can just hide these planes. So what I can do is I can just go to start plane and hide, and go to end plane and hide, and front plane and hide. So this is a kind of way to build a nice shape of the mouse like I'm using. And then what I'm gonna do is I would like to go into the mirror, and in the face or plane I would start and select this side, and then I'm not gonna mirror the feature, I'm gonna go into the bodies, and then I'm gonna select this whole body, and then in this way it's gonna draw the whole mirror onto another side. And look, now I have a pretty good shape of my mouse. So this is a really powerful tool which can provide a lot of power to our design, and we can follow our desired design by using external guide curves and lofted tool. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.